What's going on, 100 Gang? It's your boy 100 Gang Nate, back outside today with a new video. And today is a beautiful day because we will be taking delivery of the Z today. It's coming back home from the repair shop. I don't know why I be rapping so much these days, but it's happening. So this is the last day with the Camry. I really appreciate it, the gas efficiency, but you gotta go, my friend. It's time for you to go. You gotta get up out of here because I'm ready to get back to that V8. Let's go. All right, guys, so here she is, all fixed up and repaired. She looking good. She is ready to go home. I'm ready to take her too. Let's go inside and let's handle this bill. Let's go. So guys, we're about to leave the shop now. We got a little gift before we left. Y'all know I love that. So we're gonna hit the streets and then we'll be back in Florida soon. So guys, let's go. All right, guys, we back in the Camaro for a long time. Oh man, it's been such a long time. Yes, sir. Still got the stains in here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm ready to go, man. Y'all don't understand how excited I am to have my car back. It's been a long journey. Let's go get this cold start. Let's see what we talking about. Woo. Oh man. Oh, it feels good. It feels good. I'm not even gonna cap to none of y'all. This feels good. Let me go get some gas. Sir, we back outside with it, gang. We back outside, gang. Yes, sir. So guys, you know, first thing I had to do is come out and get the Z some gas. Y'all already know it's gonna be out of gas. So we at the gas station filling up right now. This is what we finna go do. Yes, sir. Man, gotta pay the cost to be the boss. Yeah. Yeah, I'm back in the Z right now, man. It feels unreal, man. Like this car, like after driving the Camry for so long, you forget how fast this car is, because I was driving it every day at some point, so I just thought it was normal. But this car right here is ballistic. This truck is super fast. She look good. Yeah, she look good. Y'all see this? She back in working fine condition. We back outside officially. God dang, please, no more Popeyes, no more chicken. I know Q gonna love that. No more chicken. I ain't picking up no more chicken. Hey, get somebody else to do it, facts. Guys, we got the car back. We're gonna do a pull. Yes, sir, we back in action. Yes, sir. So yeah, guys, we are back home with the Big Z. We are back outside with it. I'm very happy to be back. We're gonna get back to this content, and thanks to Race Car Friends, he gave me a GoPro, so we're gonna have a lot of POV content coming to the channel. And since it's been hit officially, I guess I'm gonna start doing some mods to it as well. But I gotta get that bag, so like, comment, subscribe, and share, and get them views in, because without that bag, nothing's gonna happen. But if you like cars like these, go ahead and join the MOC. That's me, Race Car Friends, Cute and Chaotic, and Blueprint 1LE. And if you need some drip, go to 100gangclothing.com. You already know that. Look down. Let's go.